Okay, guys, there was a new update in AM Company, and I ate too many.
What happened to my glow stick?
It's like all brown, Bill. Ew. And I ate a little too many blueberries. So, let's go on. So, I'm pretty sure, whoa. Look at this back.
Damn.
Why is it orange? Ew.
What orange?
Why is this rod thing orange? Or tan?
What the heck?
What the hell? No, my God. What the selling machine?
What?
The selling machine over there. That looks weird. There's a bunch of more lighting in places now.
I know. Why would they do this? I like OG Animal Company
But look,
better than that.
there's like, it's like all non-textury. Like this is all like textury and stuff, and that just has no texture on it.
No! Feanor!
Whoa! Yo!
Oh,
whoa!
What is the OG speaker?
Yo,
I
they have
think it's OG.
YouTubers.
Where?
Oh, look, there's like
Is
YouTubers.
that? Oh,
or
wait,
something.
that's my old account.
Oh, or wait, these might be like the devs. What the devs look like. I don't know.
Well, this one looks so
Yo.
cool. I like it, kinda.
Yo, that's
Okay,
a
I like
cool
this
thing.
one. I like this one the most. I like this one the most. The one my pickaxe is on.
Bro,
You
this,
agree?
This looks sick.
Okay, I actually like this one too. I like these two my favorite, and that one.
I think.
Okay, I think
the
that
polar
one's
bear.
nice.
I like the polar bear. He's so cute.
Yeah, me too.
This, this guy, cause he looks sick, and this guy. So that.
Okay, this is my first. My first favorite is this one though.
Wait, look. I'm
This is
pretty
my
sure this
second
was
favorite,
when the
third
devs
favorite,
were on.
fourth
So
favorite,
there was
fifth
like
favorite,
a bunch of
sixth
people.
favorite, seventh favorite. Oh wow.
Oh,
Let's
this is
just
cool.
go check what else.
Okay, I'm pretty sure something happened in the office. Why is the grass? Why is there so much grass? And it's like
I
going
know.
through the table.
Spring
What?
has grass growing. Grass is growing for spring. That's
Oh.
probably why.
Yeah. Ew. What? See, it looks so. That sewing machine looks so ugly. It's like bald.
Shut up. Why does this one look like a pipe?
Okay, I'm pretty sure there's new stuff in the office. Let's go.
Yay.
Wait for me. Hold on.
They say they make it actually go down this time.
Oh.
Because all the elevator does, or I find out what the elevator only does. So all it does is doesn't even move. It just brings you in. It doesn't move. It just teleports you.
Yeah.
They made an automatic doors at least. Because if it was moving, you would go through it. If it was moving,
Okay,
you would
let's
go.
go.
Through it. Wait, let's see if they patch
What
that glitch.
the?
Wait,
Yo,
they
this-
still haven't patched the glitch over here.
Bro. Why?
Yo, that's Sigma.
Well, probably because nobody talked about it. Bro, look,
Yeah.
there's golden doors. New update? Question mark,
Maybe it's
question mark?
like a vault. Maybe
New
it's like so many vaults. Yo, what the Sigma?
What the Sigma?
Wait, let's go over here.
There's new ways. Oh, here's the office. Okay.
Where's the
What the
office
Sigma? What the Sigma boy? Why is the doors now? What the? Oh, whoa, what the hell? Why is she right there? Why'd you close the door on me?
I did it.
Die.
I thought you were gonna die. Oh god. Oh god.
Okay, I'm starting to
Office
think
thing.
this is actually a school now. Like when they get detention or something. When they go to the principal's office. I'm sorry, principal. I won't abuse any little child again. What?
Wait, we should get. Wait.
Whoa, monkey. Monkey.
Get a
Come
lot
here.
of loot. We gotta
Look,
get a lot of
monkey,
loot. Get a lot of
monkey.
money.
Monkey. Ooh, what the?
Mug. Get that muggy. Get that.
No,
muggy,
no.
Muggy, fuggy.
No. Muggy
Wanna
puggy.
make a lot of money?
Bye-bye.
Muggy, fuggy.
Whee.
Yo, let's go this way.
No. go through all the doors.
Yeah, me too.
Whoa! Whoa! What the hell? What is this? What is this? Oh, I thought she looked different. Yeah, jumper.
What the heck?
Yo!
Get a lot of
What
loot,
is that? What is this? It's a big TV.
I know, get a lot of loot in here. We could get a lot of money. Because these could be now rare, more rare.
Okay, I'll get the whoopee cushion.
Because what if they are and we make like $2,000?
$2,000? Oh my,
Yeah,
why is the whoopee
$2,000
cushion so heavy, bro? My god.
I know.
Like, it's just a whoopee cushion. Ooh, paper. Wait, what did that say? Super pink
Wait.
and plus copy paper. Yeah, it's paper.
Chip! In a mug.
Oh, I thought you were talking about the crackers. I was like, what? The crackers are back in the game?
Wait, there was crackers in the game?
Yeah. They're under
Oh
the
yeah,
top.
there's crackers! Oh, I
Whoa.
missed those.
More. Yeah, I didn't get a
Wait, but
monkey.
and there's
Even
more
more
loot.
monkey. So many monkey. Look, there's so many monkeys.
Oh my god. They must be loving monkey. Wait. What? Did you never seen that fan art but it had like the monkey with the robot inside of it?
No.
What if this place made us?
I don't know. Ooh, another
They do
elevator.
love
I love
monkeys.
elevators.
They do love monkeys and we're gorillas. Monkeys. And we're
Well,
monkeys.
I'm a pug who ate too many blueberries.
This is why you shouldn't eat
Wait,
blueberries,
let's
mister.
see. Is it fixed? Nope, you still ungrapple. Why does it sound
No,
so
it's forcing you
mysterious?
to do that.
Ooh!
I wish they would put like different on instead of sewer doors. Like
What's
something
the
not
signal to
rubber
the
ducky.
TV?
What the hell was that?
Oh.
Wait, get over here. Be quiet and get over here.
There's nothing.
Don't you hear that? Dun dun dun. Do you hear the music? I still see your shadows in my room.
Can you take back the
Ducky!
love that I gave you? Yeah, I don't hear anything. I don't know what you're talking about. I'm gonna collect all of this.
Yeah, collect. You know what I see? Microwave.
Get out. Dang, this is.
No, that would actually make us go in a microwave. How about you collect
A
office
nut.
supplies
It's
and
a
I-
singular nut.
Bro, what the fuck? Wait, that does look like a nut. I'm confused.
So I'm just gonna take this in my backpack.
Oh, hell no.
Oh my god.
Over here.
No, I
It's where
don't
the
need
lava
all
one
this.
We don't have resistant butt cheeks anymore.
Okay, where are you? Oh. What the?
We don't have resistant butt cheeks anymore. I just watched it on YouTube. Someone's dying by lava with their butt touching it. Meow! You beautiful.
Come on, we don't have fire resistant butt cheeks anymore.
No.
Let's go this way. Whee! Oh, another office. Okay, this way.
Wait, get all the office supplies.
No. Oh, frick. Bro, I might have found where the next bar is.
Oh, wait, you're
Come
smart.
over here. Where? Come on. Well, I guess we're
Should we
gonna
jump?
go. We
Oh,
got to
hell
go.
no. This is where the scariest one is.
Oh, I see it. Oh my god, my game is lagging. Why are you carrying me? Why are you carrying me? He was carrying me, bro. He's like rock.
Let's just get out of this dumb place.
Whoa!
I'm scared.
Wait! They closed that door. They closed that door. And they
Wait,
opened
no,
up this
oh,
one.
God.
H-O-T-T-O-G-O. I can take you hard to go. Another one? Another hallway? Oh, it goes to nothing. Oh my god, that was rough. That was a rough open close or open. Like the end of it is rough. Listen. My god.
Attacking! Get off the ground!
Die.
Go on to the game line. Wait, can we get...
No.
What the heck? Elevator, die. Elevator.
Oh,
That
the...
might bring...
Ow. Wait, I wanna... Boys, like my boy. Oh, here it is. Whoa. New sound? Wait, is this new?
Yeah, that's what I was saying earlier. That's what I was saying about that sound I was hearing. I heard that sound. This sound.
Oh.
And Mr. Clean is back. Mr. Smiley Guy is back. Mr.
Where?
Family Guy is back.
Oh, hey, he's so small now. He looks so small. They also turned the volume down. They turned the volume down for his scream so he's not loud as hell. Oh, shield. Come here.
Don't hit me, Blueberry. Don't hit me, Blueberry. Blueberry, you bad boy. Hey, you shot my pickaxe on you. Some of it.
So bad, so sad. Whoa, what's the Sigma?
Bad too mad.
Why do I keep saying what the Sigma? Like, what the Sigma? Big, ugly next box.
Oh my god, that was a dramatic scream. The hell? How did
Why
I
does it
get
look
them
brown?
before?
The flashlight looks kind of brown. Watch out, Mr. Ugly Smiley could be anywhere.
Mr. Ugly Smileys?
Yeah, cause he's
that?
ugly. It looks like he's missing
yeah.
a tooth.
Oh, I know. Like, get that smile away from me.
Yeah, I do not want to have cavities today.
Collect the duckies so we can sell them for money.
Ducky. Ducky.
Mr. Smiley!
Oi. Ducky. Where's Mr. Smiley?
I swear.
I think you're hallucinating. Cause there was no Mr. Smiley here. There's no Mr. Smiley. I don't know what you're talking about.
Yeah, is your backpack getting so heavy?
Oh my. I am a heavy boy.
Screen.
Okay, now I'm gonna skip because I don't want to get cavities from Mr. Smiley.
Mr. Smiley's cavities, he's here.
My teeth are squeaky clean, so I don't want to have my teeth yellow
I'm gonna look.
from him.
Oh god, there's a door that leads outside the map. Right?
What do you mean? That's not outside the map. Ah! Come in.
Why the
Go
hell
in.
did it shut?
I don't know.
The grapple one! It's in the wall! I got the new boy, Jesus, on the Jeep.
Look, he really has no tooth right there. It's so ugly. Yeah, get out of here.
Get me out! We got. Oh look! Employee of the month. He's so fat. Bro got shot in
Ew,
the
stinky. He's so stinky. He's so stinky. Let's go. We're back.
Let's go, baby.
We're back from that hellhole.
I know, bro.
Oh, Big Mac. Oh my, how many stuff do you have, man? How much stuff do I have? Oh my god. Damn, that's a lot of stuff. We're definitely getting like something like 500 to 1,000. We're definitely getting like
2,000. 2,000, I bet.
1,000.
2,000.
Go on, yes, 1,000. It's 1,000.
Okay, you're pretty good. Damn, brother. I didn't give you a free
I want to
research
see.
point.
So here's the office. There's the lab. Now they're in hell, and then the spawn mines, the hangout place, another one in
I don't
hell,
own gold pickaxes.
another one in office, and then one in that place.
Yeah, bro.
One in the lab.
I don't own gold pickaxes, so can you buy me one?
Yeah. How much do you need?
One.
You said 5?
I said one, bit.
You said,
no, I said one.
I thought you said 5.
55.
Oh, 55? Okay.
Wait, no! Stop. Wait, no, stop buying them.
Okay, well, I hit the thing.
Let's go.
Damn, look at that. Look at
Let's
those
go.
pickaxes. Let me do this.
Yeah, you better put those damn things in your stash.
I'm putting them in my backpack so we can sell it.
I bet it's gonna be something like 500. I bet it's gonna be something like 3, actually.
It's gonna be in the hundreds. I know that.
I bet it's gonna be something in the hundreds. 100. Gotta be 100 something. 100 something.
I think it's just in the hundreds.
I think it's in the hundreds too. In the hundreds. In the hundreds.
Yeah!
Wait, we're in the 200s.
Well, it's still in the hundreds.
How do you know?
Oh, my headset died, bro.